So here we are in the neighborhood where we're going to be living for a month, and it is just a stunning little enclave in Nice, France. There's a park that you walk through where the kids are on a whale, like a beautiful whale, and a water park and greenery, and you can walk for days in this city. There's the blue chairs overlooking the Negresco, the sculpture that's famous for Nice. And this is the Old Town Market area. The background, the musicians playing on the streets. It's an amazing, amazing location. We're taking our morning stroll through the marketplace before all the vendors get set up. Look at these darling chairs in front of a gallery. It's amazing. And then, of course, the Isle of Nice overlooking the whole bay. And the architecture is beyond belief. It's that beautiful Belle Epoque architecture. This is the old train station.
Guess where we are? We're in the old train station. We were just outside in that beautiful architecture, but they've turned it into a little boutique restaurant and little stores and made it a garden, and it's just so beautiful the way the sunlight's coming in. I'm definitely going to bring my painting group here just for maybe lunch or something. They will love it. It's just stunning. I mean, the light streaming in. The old train station.
1892.
Yeah.
Look at this. Oh my God.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Well, they repurposed this and made it very, very attractive.
It is beautiful.
And then, of course, every little enclave all around town, there's your fish markets, your flower markets, your vegetable markets that are just filled with these amazing, amazing things to eat. Then, of course, once again, the close-ups of this amazing Belle Epoque architecture, which was done during the turn of the century in the south of France. They came to the sea from Paris to get warmer and built their beautiful architecture. So every place you look is like wedding cake designs. Amazing.